Turkey's military, like others around the world, now relies on drone technology as a crucial and game-changing tool in the thrilling arena of modern warfare, revolutionizing the way battles are fought and won. Turkey's investment of millions of lira in valuable projects is propelling the nation into the future, unleashing a new generation of awe-inspiring machines, with the Anka-3 stealth drone from Turkish Aerospace Industries, leading the way to revolutionize Turkey's air combat capabilities. Heralding a new dawn for Turkey's air combat and defense strategy, the sleek and stealthy Anka-3 drone embodies the nation's ambition to excel in the global UAV market. With its low radar signature, incredible speed, and lethal precision, this invisible machine poses as a force to be reckoned with, showcasing Turkey's determination to claim its rightful place among aerial warfare titans. As it takes flight, the Anka-3 stands as the ultimate sentinel, guarding Turkey's interests from afar while minimizing risks to human life. Surprising the world. Turkey has emerged as a standout developer of powerful drone systems, showcasing mastery over drone technology. Their dynamic fusion of surveillance precision and power has placed them at the forefront of technological innovation. In 2022, the Turkish defense industry unveiled its work on an unmanned fighter aircraft, a significant milestone coinciding with Turkey's Victory Day celebration on March 18th, which marked the 100th anniversary of modern Turkey's founding by Kemal Ataturk. During Turkish Vice President Ford Oktav's speech at the Grand National Assembly of Turkey's General Assembly, a promising project was announced: the Anka-3 MIUS, National Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle System. As part of a new generation project, this drone aims to enhance the capabilities of unmanned aerial vehicles. The Anka-3 MIUS features a jet engine, impressive speed, high payload capacity, and a tailless structure that renders it nearly invisible to radar. With such attributes, it is set to open a new chapter in the field of UAVs. In March 2023, Turkey's ambitious air combat aircraft, the Anka-3 MIUS, was officially revealed when its first images were released, along with other upcoming projects. These images were shared by Professor Dr. Timur Katil, CEO of Turkish Aerospace Industries, on their official Twitter account, garnering immense attention. Shortly after, the drone's technical specifications were unveiled at the 4th Military Radar and Border Security Summit in Ankara. As Turkey's first flying wing unmanned combat aircraft, the Anka-3 MIUS left experts stunned by its advanced capabilities and potential for deep strike stealth missions. The nation's strides in drone technology have firmly established them as a force to be reckoned with in the global arena of drone development. Extremely stealthy. The Turkish authorities are keeping the specific details of the new unmanned fighter jet under wraps, but some of its specifications have already surfaced. The Anka-3 is said to be approximately the size of a light fighter and powered by a single I-25 TLT or AI-322 series turbofan engine from Echenko Progress. With a takeoff weight of 14,330 pounds and a payload capacity of 2,645 pounds, the Anka-3 can reach a maximum altitude of 40,000 feet and remain airborne for up to 10 hours. Its cruising speed is reported to be 288 miles per hour, with a maximum speed of 489 miles per hour. Although the total length, wingspan, engine power, and curve weight were not disclosed during the presentation, rumors suggest that the platform has a wingspan of nearly 40 feet and a length of 29 feet. The drone's design bears similarities to Boeing's X-45C and the Dassault Neuron, but it appears to be less refined. The Anka-3's unique design incorporates a serrated dorsal air intake and an auxiliary intake near the engine exhaust. Aerials and antennas are installed on the auxiliary intake, while multiple pilot tubes are positioned along the leading edge and nose of the aircraft. These features contribute to the drone's resilience and relatively long endurance, making it an impressive platform for various missions. The most advanced drones. The Anka-3 is an innovative Turkish drone, renowned for its versatility and robustness, equipped with both visible range and beyond visual range communication data links. Its diverse roles encompass suppression and destruction of enemy air defense, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare. Following the success of advanced Turkish drones like the renowned Bayraktar TB2 family, the Anka-3 comes with external hardpoints for munitions and fuel. But what sets it apart is the option for external weapon stations in addition to internal ones. These outer weapon stations are equipped with general-purpose bombs, fitted with TBER-82 and TBER-81 guidance kits, significantly enhancing its versatility. The drone is intentionally designed with a low radar cross-section, achieved by omitting horizontal and vertical stabilization in the tail design while housing the weapon stations within the fuselage. As a dynamic and advanced Turkish drone, the Anka-3 is primed to fulfill a wide range of roles in future defense scenarios. Its cutting-edge features position it to play a crucial role in Turkey's defense strategy, working alongside manned aircraft like the TFX stealthy fighter. The Anka-3 exemplifies Turkey's commitment to pushing the boundaries of drone technology to meet various military challenges effectively. Export. Turkey's aerospace industry has been making significant strides in developing advanced unmanned aerial combat capabilities to enhance its high-performance air combat inventory. While countries like China and Russia have openly shared their flying wing UCAV programs, the United States is focused on collaborative teaming aircraft, with an emphasis on cost consciousness and high performance. In contrast, Turkey has been dedicated to indigenous air combat aircraft initiatives. The Turkish armed forces have actively employed the Anka series of medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle systems, developed by the Turkish Aerospace Industries Corporation, as part of the Anka-1 project. These Anka UAV systems, including Anka-A, Anka-B, and Anka-S, have already been exported to 6 countries, with the Turkish Navy, Air Force, and special missions utilizing these UAVs. Additionally, the Aksunguru UAV, developed under the Anka-2 project, has been exported to 2 countries, highlighting Turkey's growing influence in the UAV market. The development and production of new systems, such as TFX, Anka-3, Bayraktar Kizilelma, and Heralding projects, signify a promising era for Turkey's aerospace industry and tactical capabilities. However, these projects face various challenges, including airframe development, software development, subsystem integration, and the creation of low probability of intercept sensors, advanced communications, and radar-absorbent coatings. Access to engine technology also remains a potential issue. Geopolitical factors, like Turkey's purchase of the S-400 system from Russia, have strained relations with the United States and affected Turkey's access to F-16 fighter aircraft. Consequently, Turkey has extended the life of its existing F-16 fleet, while continuing to pursue new S-16s as a bridge to a more independent and high-performance air combat inventory. Despite these obstacles, if Turkey's vision comes to fruition, successfully developing and integrating these aircraft into its defense strategy would be a significant accomplishment, with considerable export potential. Turkey's dedication to advancing its aerospace industry and becoming more self-reliant in defense capabilities marks a remarkable endeavor in the global arena of unmanned aerial combat systems. The future of drones. The Turkish Aerospace Industries TAI Anka-3 combat unmanned aircraft system is a centerpiece of Turkey's most ambitious projects in the aerospace field. Recent images of the Anka-3 have been shared, and its test schedule leading up to the first flight has been revealed. The structural assembly of the first prototype was completed in January 2023, and assembly and ground tests are expected to be finalized by March 2023. Turkey's emphasis on developing stealthy flying wing UCAVs exemplified by the Anka 3, showcases its strong determination to enhance its air combat capabilities. As Turkey continues to advance its aerospace projects, the nation's future in air combat and defense strategy holds great promise, with the potential to reshape the global UAV market. The successful development and testing of these advanced unmanned aerial combat capabilities could offer an intriguing mix of options to the Turkish Air Force and potential export customers in the future. By pushing the boundaries of technology, Turkey seeks to reinforce its position as a key player in the field of unmanned aerial combat systems, while contributing to the evolving landscape of modern warfare. Overall, the Anka 3 project represents a significant step forward for Turkey's aerospace industry and its efforts to strengthen its defense capabilities with cutting-edge UAV technology.